Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor, and today we're going to head out to one of my job sites where we just finished one of the most amazing projects I have ever done. This is a inlay foyer in marble and wood, and it is something special. So without any further ado, let's hit it.
So beautiful, you and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
This is a project like most of my projects where we've done multiple things here. We did the stairs, we did the floors, we did the railings, and last but not least is this awesome foyer. Check this out. We started with marble everywhere, just a standard marble floor. We surgically cut out the box that you're seeing here. We inlaid a border, then the wood, and then we cut in the marble. These 24 by 24 marble pieces in it. We sealed them first, we stained the floor. It all came together amazing. This was a dream that my client had. She had one picture of something similar that she saw done, and we brought her dream to life. I'm pretty proud of it. It came out really awesome. Between this and these amazing handrails with iron balusters that we came up with, this pattern is something else. And of course, no project is complete unless I put my soul into it. No, it's not my soul, but the flooring is parquet soul. One of the darkest, coolest floors you'll ever see. It is a 4th of July celebration, but the real fireworks are right here. Drop some comments below and let me know what you think of this foyer. If you like videos like this, please help us to grow our channel by sharing, liking, and of course subscribing. It helps us more than you realize. We also have a PayPal link below. We're trying to get some better camera and audio equipment to make these videos even more amazing. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to check out some of our other content. We have lots of great videos on how to install wood, laminate, and vinyl floors, plus my favorite product reviews. I review wood, laminate, and vinyl, and even put them head to head. Run them over, I dunk my submerge them, do whatever it takes to find out which of these floors are best for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to take out your favorite flooring mallet, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. And thanks for watching.